See, I jumped it. I put the wire in there and jumped it.
All right, so solution found, sort of. Something wrong with the harness. So we gotta straight jump the distributor just to get power through it. So if you have a distributor and you don't know if it's working or not, just jump it and see if it turn on.
It's a short somewhere in the harness.
It's short somewhere in the engine harness. So we're gonna figure that out. We gotta take the engine harness out, take off the electrical wire, the electrical tape, and check it out. Jump it again real quick. Jump it again real quick.
Oh, well, starting it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, jumping it? Well, you can take because remember, it starts from here. So the problem is somewhere from here in between here.
Yeah, the whole engine harness plugs up right there.
So if you want to learn how to jump your distributor, find your power wire, put it into the plug.
This is just a crude way, but plug it back up. Okay, and then give the engine constant power. Go ahead.
And it jump right on.